I got married on a Sunday, felt like a dream come true. But by Monday morning I saw a different view. I was introduced to her friends, thought it was a sign. But come Tuesday she disappeared, leaving me behind. Didn't see her till Wednesday, a fleeting glimpse of her face. But by then I knew her love was just a chase. Borrowed money, then vanished like a ghost in the night. Thursday and Friday, the same old plight. Now it's Saturday, I'm at the end of my rope, tired of being a sugar dad. Feeling like a dope 7 days of the week, but she's only here for fun. It's time to stand up for myself before this love's undone. I thought her